In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in iCloud Mail. If your inbox feels crowded but you don't want to lose messages, archiving is the perfect middle ground. I'll explain what archiving does, show you how to use it on iCloud.com, and share a quick time-saving option. First, what does archive mean? When you archive an email, it leaves your inbox and moves to a folder called Archive. It is not deleted and it doesn't expire. You can open it, reply, forward, or search for it anytime, just like any other message. Think of it as putting mail in a labeled box on a shelf. It's out of sight so your inbox stays focused on current items, but it's still safely stored. This is ideal for receipts, confirmations, or old conversations you might need later. To archive using iCloud Mail on the web, go to iCloud.com/mail and sign in. Open your inbox, then select the message you want to move. To archive several at once, click one email, then hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac while clicking additional messages to create a selection. Next, look at the toolbar above your message list. You can click Move and choose Archive, or click the More button, the one with 3 dots, and pick Archive there. The selected emails immediately leave your inbox and go to the archive folder. If you expect to archive often, there's a faster one-click method. Click the gear icon for settings, choose Settings, then open the Viewing section. Turn on Show Archive button in the toolbar. From now on, when you select one or many emails, you can just press Archive in the toolbar and you're done. No menus required. Whenever you want to review archived items, open the Archive folder in the left sidebar. Everything you've archived stays there until you delete it manually, so nothing disappears on its own. Remember, archive is not delete. You're simply moving messages out of your inbox for tidiness. It's a great way to organize older emails without losing them. And if you change your mind, open the message in archive and move it back to the inbox the same way you moved it out. That's all there is to it. Use archive to keep your inbox focused while keeping your history intact, and enable the toolbar button for the fastest workflow. With a few clicks, you can declutter today and still find exactly what you need later.